What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. A little slip up happened, so I you go to my last video, you know, I was no my last second to last video. I was going on the track of solving this problem right here. It's merge array. It just merges two arrays, but apparently it's very difficult. So it was a series, right? So it's a bunch of videos. But my last video, um, it just skips. I had like 7 videos recorded, right? Cause this this was kind of pissing me off. Cause uh it's a level 8, so I was like it's easy, I'll get it done in 20 minutes. That's the max my camera can record. So I was like, I could get it done in like less than 20 minutes. One, it's an easy one. Second, uh I've done it before, so yeah, I can do this. But apparently, you guys can see I wasn't able to. So I had recorded a bunch of videos. I stacked them from my latest video, like a stack, funny enough, like a JavaScript stack. Latest video, my oldest video. So if I'm gonna edit a video, I grab from the bottom, or probably not like a stack. I don't know, but oldest at the bottom, newest video that I have recorded at the top. So if I'm gonna edit, and grab from the bottom. Well, today I spent like 20 to 30 minutes um editing my most recent video, and so I'm gonna go ahead and take that L, and I uploaded it. I kept it up, and we're just gonna move forward. I'm gonna take that L. It was a mistake. We're gonna move forward. This time I'm gonna record only one video per day. That way I don't. That's why I had a big old stack, cause I usually only record like one video per day, and I did like 7 that day, cause I really wanted to solve it. So that's that with that. Now, if you see this loading here, that's because this big ass array. So that's the problem. That's the actual problem. I need to merge. Oh no, that's something else. No. Yeah, that's. This is something else. This is not merge two arrays. I'm gonna delete it anyways, because it was taking a long time to edit, to load. Put it right here. No, this is. So let me paste it on there first. It's a big ass array that I have to find how many inversions there is. For anyone that knows about inversions, it's I I don't even know what inversions are, but the bases are, if you have like 1, 2, 3, it's a, like, for example, right here, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have 4 here and then the 2, if you swap them, I think that's, I'm not sure. That's what I'm saying. Like I think it's 1 or 2 inversions, cause the 4 switch places where from where it's supposed to be, and then the 2 switch places. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if inversions are always an even number or not. But yeah, I'm supposed to find the inversions. So I'm still working on that. Obviously, it's like something that I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this over here on the merge. And look how it's a big ass array, bro. It's 100,000, and I can't close it because it's not code. This is a text file, txt. So I can't close it. If it was a JavaScript file like this one was, then it allows you to close a block. But anyways, merge. Merge to array. Let's see what we got. It's been a while, like probably 2, 3 days since I've worked on it. And I'm doing the wrong one. Let's do what was main.js. So this is what we get. I'm printing out somewhere up here. I don't know where. Right here. I'm printing out the counter. but this is the end. So it sorts as it should. Oh no, not as it should. Not as it should. So it only goes up to 10. Not the whole thing. Not the whole thing. Okay. Right here is showing me that they're both the same length. So for example, this one is 10. This one is 10. And right here I see that it is 10 as well. But why is it when I get to counter 0, when I get to, that's the base case, okay, when counter gets to 0, where am I decreasing counter? Every time I call, okay. I'm minusing 1 counter. So there's 10 moves being made. 10. So why is it only doing 8? What's happening to all these 40? I need to see if I'm pushing them. Ah, I see. Wait. No, these are the same. I was like, oh, they're the same, so I need to change them. No, but I had copied them like that. Same, yeah, they're the same. Same if and same else if. Let's see. Let me look at one first, and I'll look at the one on top. So array 1. So if array 1, if this one is smaller, push that one. If it's smaller, yeah, because we're pushing. Let me see what's logging down and what's not. If it's smaller, then log out array I. Let's do small. And I'm going to do that for the top as well. I'll do the small as well. And then I'm going to do one for the bottom, if it's bigger. So now the opposite of that, which is if array 2 is small or equal, because I could have duplicates, and you should be able to sort duplicates. As you can see here, there's 1, 1, and 12, 12. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and print out. Oh, I meant to print out array 1. Over here, I'll print out array 2, J, and then I'll name it big. Oh, it's still small, but I should probably take that off. Let's just name it like where it came from. Array 1. Array 1, yeah. We'll do that instead. Over here we'll do array 2. And then I'll just copy this one, put it down here. Array 2. Alright, that should be good. Let's just see what's going on, because obviously we're doing 10 steps, but it's only sorting 10 of them. It should still sort. If this is, maybe it's because it's undefined. Maybe that's what it is. Let's just see first. Because this goes, and then these are the last two. So it's not like, it's not comparing them anymore. Maybe that's what it is, but let's try this first. So the first ones are undefined, 0. First ones are undefined for array 1. So I'm comparing undefined. I'm comparing undefined. Is that what it is? Maybe it's something, I always think that's what it is. I think it's something obvious that I'm just not seeing. Because it can't be that hard, right? It's just, we're just merging two arrays, bro. What am I missing, bro? That happens to me sometimes. Like, similar things, like the I and the J look similar, just the J has that bottom, little curve at the bottom. So it's like things like that, am I missing Array 1I, array 2J, that's where I keep count. Array push, that's the main one. Array, and I'm returning array right at the end. Array. Okay, I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna add something else. Top, and I'm also gonna add that to the bottom. Whoa. Except obviously in the bottom of a bottom. So we should see more bottoms than tops. It's comparing undefined though. On the bottom. 3 times. 3 times it compares undefined. Array I. Array I. Huh? Okay, so now we're seeing array 1. Okay, so oh yeah, so most of them are bottom and array. Okay, so array I. How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many am I calling? Merge arrays. When I have the equal, that means it's just the default parameter, so it shouldn't be tripping. I'm calling 6 though. So right here it should be. So 6. Yeah, it's good. Let me make sure the array at the end, then we got IJ. Counter. Array 1 and 2. Yeah, it looks good. The names are the same. Something that so since it's here, this is where the problem is. I'm gonna go ahead and do array, and I'm also gonna print, so I'll do this, I'll do array, and in the same line I'm gonna print out I. I'll do it, how should I do it? I'll just print them out like that, separated by comma, like that. And then I'll do I, just like that. Let's see what's going on, because what are the values that are being compared? Okay, so I'm comparing an empty array. Empty array. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what's going on. Array 1. I thought I had changed that. Didn't I? I thought I changed it. I thought I changed that up here. Oh, I did, but the issue is not up there, it's down here. I made the same mistake. So yeah, sometimes I just make the same mistake sometimes. Okay, so now I'm not comparing an empty array. So now it's the array that should be getting compared, yeah. So it's 10 times. Array bottom. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. So it's array bottom. It's always bottom. There should be one at the very end when it gets to 0. So that's next up. I'm gonna end it right here though. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good ass day. Peace out.